Ciao Bedazzi and welcome back to my channel. As my drone flies over the rugged landscape of Eastern County Cork, right outside the town of Youghal, a ruin comes into view. The ruin of Templemichael Castle, sitting right between the Glendine River and the Blackwater, stands proud despite its centuries of wear and tear. It was a crispy December morning and it was almost 0 degrees.
It's sunny today, but it's extremely cold, just 1 degree, so if my eyes are watery, you know why.
The legend says that Templemichael was built by the Templars in the late 1200s and surely was no ordinary stronghold. Its walls have seen more battles than anyone could count, and its secrets have been kept for centuries. But the castle story did not end there. It was later finished by the Fitzgerald family, becoming a symbol of power and prestige for generations to come. That until Oliver Cromwell and his troops came in 1649 and most likely destroyed the castle for good. Next to the castle there was an old church, now in ruins too, which was once a place of worship for those who lived in the area.
So it looks like there's a way inside the church. It's right behind here. There's a door here. Let's find out what's inside.
But this calm is quickly broken by the sight of a cemetery, its tombstones full of old names and musk, a testament to the many lives that have passed through this place. Despite its age and weathered appearance, Templemichael Castle still commands attention, even on a cold winter's day. From a drone's perspective, the view is breathtaking, and it's easy to imagine what it must have been like in its heyday. So if you find yourself in County Cork, don't miss the chance to visit Templemichael Castle. Its haunting beauty and rich history will stay with you long after you've left its walls. I hope you liked this video. Until the next video, ciao Bedazzi.